Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I am going to talk to you on the topic capturing opportunity in your portfolio. The markets keep throwing opportunities at us. Periodically, we see volatility come in some parts of the market. As we have a looming threat of an Omicron outbreak, we also see volatility across overall markets soften. Where we want to invest, that opportunity becomes all the more attractive. The place where we want to deploy money comes closer to valuations which we like. Now, how long will this opportunity stay before us? From experience, I have seen that opportunity tends to stay very long only when market doesn't see broad-based participation. When very few people participate in the equity market, the opportunity can stay even for a year. But we don't live in such times. We live in an age where everybody wants to be a market participant. So every opportunity tends to get bought into much faster than we expect. So if I think this opportunity before me will last for 1 month and I can take my own sweet time to invest in it, it doesn't give me 1 month, it probably gives me 10 or 12 days. Sometimes it barely gives me 3 or 4 days. From 2020, we have been seeing the duration available for us to capture opportunities which we identified in the market in your portfolio getting shorter and shorter. What this means is that we collectively as an investor and as an advisor need to be far more nimble in investing when we spot that opportunity. So thinking that it won't go anywhere, I'll decide next month or I'll decide when I feel like is not working out. Or we tend to decide a little late and then buy the same investment slightly at a higher valuation. Now, as an advisor, this gives a sense of disquiet. I'll tell you why. You know that if you decided in real time quickly, you could have done far better in how you captured that opportunity in a portfolio. And every advisor would want to do that for you, and that is more so if we are not the kind which identifies ordinary opportunities or things which everybody sees. As a contrarian investor, we identify opportunities ahead of market or we see opportunities which the market does not see. When we bring it before you, we would like you to participate in it in a manner which gives you the best results. The problem statement is very simple. You need to make decisions much faster now than you did earlier. The reason is that even the contrarian opportunities get bought into very quickly, and the reason for that is that today the larger investors are also participating a lot more in contrarian ideas than they did in 2020 because they have taken the full juice out of consensus bets. So they are probably selling their high performing pharma or some other sectors and they are coming and buying the value parts and the contra parts. So there is intense competition to participate even in the contrarian parts of the stock market. When that is the scenario, we need to be nimble. So as an advisor, we would like you to appreciate that opportunities which we bring before you won't last forever and you need to make up your mind in reasonable time and bring the advice to execution. So you need to basically act on the advice and not procrastinate and delay it so long that by the time you make up your mind, it's a little late in the day. That is something which we want to flag at this point in time because every dip is getting bought, every adversity is getting invested into, especially in the contrarian parts of the market, which is where we want to give you advice to participate all the more in the coming months. So with that in your mind, we would hope that in the coming months, when advice is given to you, you are able to make up your mind in reasonable time and participate in a way which contributes well enough for you to make that effort worthwhile. Thank you very much for staying the course with us.